Hi, everyone. At Lightfunnels, your security is very important to us and we take it seriously. We recognize that online businesses can face threats from fake orders, automated bots, and malicious actors. We have implemented various layers of security and features to ensure a safe and secure environment for you. In this video, we will explain how these features work to protect you and your online store. With the blocked countries list, you can block visitors from certain countries from accessing your pages. This feature helps you control who can view and shop from your online store, reducing the risk of fraudulent activity from specific geographic locations. Blocked customer IPs. You can only block customer IPs from the order page. Blocked customer IPs allow you to restrict access to your pages for visitors with specific IP addresses. This helps you block known malicious IPs and provides an additional layer of protection against unauthorized access. Support access. Support access allows us at Lightfunnels to temporarily access your account for troubleshooting or content recovery purposes. You maintain control over when this access is granted and can revoke it at any time. This feature ensures that you receive the assistance you need without compromising your security. CAPTCHA, which stands for Completely Automated Public Turing Test to tell computers and humans apart, is a security feature used in e-commerce to distinguish between human users and automated bots. It typically involves presenting users with a challenge. By completing these challenges, users demonstrate that they are human, helping to prevent automated bots from engaging in malicious activities like spamming, scraping, or fraudulent transactions. At Lightfunnels, this security layer was built especially to be triggered only if a suspicious behavior is observed, so it will not create friction in the customer experience, which leads to lowering the AOV. Your AOV will be always safe with Lightfunnels CAPTCHA technology. Max items per order. Max items per order lets you set a maximum limit on the number of items that can be included in a single order. This feature is particularly valuable for cash-on-delivery sellers as it helps prevent fake orders and allows you to maintain better control over your sales and associated fees. Min delay between cash-on-delivery orders. Min delay between cash-on-delivery orders enables you to specify the minimum time interval that must pass before a second order from the same IP address is allowed. This helps protect cash-on-delivery sellers from potential fake orders, ensuring that each order is legitimate and reducing the risk of fraud. By implementing these security features, Lightfunnels empowers you to create a safer online shopping experience for your customers, while safeguarding your business from various threats. We believe that a secure environment is essential for your success, and we are committed to providing you with the tools and support you need to achieve it. Happy selling! Lightfunnels Academy continues to add new content on the platform so that users can use Lightfunnels more effectively. You can follow our academy to have more information and details about using Lightfunnels. Lightfunnels is easy to use, so you can use advanced features quickly and easily. The store and funnels templates you will use are free and fully customizable. This allows you to create amazing stores and impress your customers. It allows you to have high conversion rates. Start using Lightfunnels today with a 14-day free trial. Discover what you can do.